In recent years, the pharmaceutical industry continues to witness major challenges like sluggish prescription trends, EU pricing pressure, intensifying generic competition, pipeline failures, and limited late-stage catalysts. This was stated by Zacks Equity Research. Among all these challenges facing pharmaceutical industries, there is one issue widely recognized by educators and industrial researchers. That is the shortfall between graduate education and research/production in the labor market. In 2001, Douwe Bremer from Leiden University, Netherlands, published a paper regards the future training needs that can lead the graduate students from academia to industry. In this article, Douwe stated that under pressure from over-costly drug development, the pharmaceutical industry is changing dramatically. Many agents and technologies that were unheard of 10 years ago have been widely used in biocompanies, which require new approaches to fundamental pharmaceuticals. The academia, on the other hand, was very much focused internally, being heavily engaged in education and production of graduates, while doing research for its own sake. Although these academic activities continue to a great extent, major limitations are emerging. Traditional disciplines ranging from pharmaceutical technology to biopharmaceutics are taught extensively, but a variety of newly emerging disciplines are also essential in order to move forward. The students should be exposed to more multidisciplinary problems and acquire a range of non-disciplinary skills, such as communication, teamwork, writing, and presentation, such as to adapt to the labor market quickly. The same issue has been brought to public attention by people from industrial sites in the same year. George Mooney from Pfizer published an article titled, "Challenges Faced by the Pharmaceutical Industry, Training Graduates for Employment in Pharmaceutical R&D." He stated that on the education training continuum, industry should recognize what it most values from academia and provides as much input and support as possible. At the same time, universities must question their ability to fulfill their traditional education role in the face of current rates of adoption of new sciences and technology. In the assessment of future training needs for PhD graduates for European pharmaceutical companies, the Committee on Industrial Relations of EUFEPS indicated that the newest scientific areas have the highest demand for graduates. Inevitably, there are relatively few people in the new area. In addition, George Mooney also emphasized the significance of soft skills that fail to bring to the forefront by the educators. In dealing with the shortfall between output from universities and demand by the pharmaceutical and healthcare companies, partnerships including industry, academia, as well as government are needed. Good partnership establishment requires a good platform for academia and industrial people to showcase their research and new technology and promote communication between different parties. Professional associations like American Association of Pharmaceutical Scientists is a good example of a platform. It facilitates effective communication and collaboration, helps the members get exposed to new technology and future research. At the same time, the AAPS annual meeting also provides PhD students opportunities to improve professional writing, presentation, and verbal communication, which are all essential parts of soft skills required in the business environment. It could also be beneficial for graduates in developing their career path. On the other hand, pharmaceutical companies may find it helpful in recruiting employees with perfect matching backgrounds. Training shortfalls is one of the major challenges faced by the pharmaceutical industry. The good news is that we have professional associations like AAPS to help in bridging this gap. Accordingly, in recent years, an increasing number of graduate students are identifying AAPS as having a significant role in their future endeavors.